What's going on, everyone? We're back for another video, and today I'm going to be talking about my leveling kit and the new tires and wheels on this Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. So if you haven't seen the install video, we'll link it up above here, but today I'm pretty much going to give my 2-month review, how it rides, how it handles, how it sounds on the road, how it performs, just everything in detail, and give you guys an idea of if you want to do this to your truck. I would highly recommend it, let me just say it starting off the bat. So we're going to dive into that, but Austin's got something to say.
Well, yeah, to add to that, I noticed a lot of people are showing attention to it, so we're going to pretty much reiterate how it is and how the review is, and pretty much stuff like that. But yeah, we actually got a new sponsor, so we're going to test out their products. It's called Vash Auto Care. We got the wheel cleaner and the foam soap, so after we do the review on this, if you want to stick around, we'll provide a discount code, so if you guys are fanatics about your car and want to keep them clean, stay tuned for that. It will pop up on screen, so you got to look for it. Yeah, without further ado, let's talk about the truck and then cue the cinematics for washing it.
Alright guys, so if you don't know, this is my 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. It's got 33-inch tires on it. They're Pro Comp brand. Very, very good tire. I would highly recommend it. It's not a very popular brand like Toyo or Nitto, for example, but my buddy recommended them, and these are the new AT Sports, so it's kind of a hybrid between the mud trains and the all-trains. It's just really beefy and a good tire overall. They're 60,000 mile warranted, so you're definitely getting your money's worth. I got them on sale. They were a little pricey, but you really do get what you pay for. So moving down to here, I went with the Motometal. These are the 962 Motometals, and they're the milled accented wheels, so you got that nice milled look on the outside, just the right amount popping, so it gives it a nice accent. And one thing I would say I don't like is this plastic hubcap, but I mean it does hide that rusted out metal inside the wheels, so they had to do something with that. And then again, there's a couple more accented pieces, just gives it that nice pop. So these are the 20x10s, and I didn't want to go with the negative 44mm offset, which would be 20x12, which is really common in a wheel setup, because that's just going to stick out way too much and flare up too much mud and all that. This is a negative 24mm offset, so I think that works perfect with this truck. It's not too excessive, but it's definitely noticeable. I think the wheel pokes out about, I would say, maybe 3 to 4 inches, so it's not too bad compared to that negative 44mm offset. But yeah, absolutely love these wheels. Also, we installed the MotoFab 2.5-inch leveling kit, so like I said before, we're going to link that up, and let me tell you that it's a complete game changer. I'll put a picture right now of the truck stock, how it was before, with the 20-inch aluminum wheels and the stock tires versus the leveling kit. It just levels it out perfectly. I mean, I couldn't ask for a much better look, to be honest, for the price point. Also, a lot of people have been commenting on that video about the UCAs, the upper control arms. So people
will be able to see it on camera, but yeah, right there.
So yeah, a lot of comments are about those upper control arms, if it affects the ride quality. Since I kept them stock, a lot of people upgrade them, and also if you get a leveling kit, most of them actually come with the upper control arms, so they're going to be a little more pricey, but you should upgrade when you do the leveling kit, the upper control arms, to really make it a good ride quality overall. But actually, I haven't noticed a decrease in ride quality at all. We went off-roading a few times. It's my daily here, so drive it every single day. Rides smooth, no hiccups or anything, takes bumps well, no shaking or vibrations, funny like that. So as of now, I'm going to keep it as it is. It might hyperextend like the slightest bit compared to those more beefy metals that they give you with the upper control arms, but I will definitely be upgrading these in the near future, probably in the spring or the summer. So just to kind of, give it that beefy, sturdy ride quality, especially off-roading, because I definitely want to take it off-roading now that we got the new big beefy tires on it. So that was just one thing that a lot of people had questions about, the upper control arms. But from a standpoint of a daily driver and off-roading it, beating on it a little bit, I can tell you the stock upper control arms here, we're doing fine, but I will be upgrading, so I just wanted to touch on that. So another thing I want to mention, which is extremely common when lifting or leveling a truck and slapping some big all-trains or mud trains on, is the clearance aspect. So with the Dodge Rams, honestly, they have that massive wheel well, like the half moon wheel well, so you really don't have any problems with clearance unless you go 35s. You might rub a little bit. These are 33s, and as you can tell down here, there's actually, like, it's very close to rubbing this black rubber piece on the front bumper, but it does not touch. I will say, if you are stopped and you turn the wheel all the way one way, you hear a slight rubbing if you move a little bit, but besides that, take and turn, no problem at all. So with the leveling kit in 33s, not really rubbing issues at all unless you're stopped and you turn it, but you're not really going to do that. So if you haven't seen our other video for the MBRP catback exhaust, I'll link that up above again, but I'll give you a little walk around of a cold start up of the exhaust. Got those really nice 4-inch stainless steel tips, so they're not going to rust out, and it really pops at the edge of the bumper here. It's also stainless steel all throughout, so especially living in New Jersey or an area highly salted and plowed, a lot of snow and precipitation, you're going to want to get that stainless steel material to prevent a lot of rust, but it sounds really good idling. A lot of people also ask about the noise, like the drone noise on the highway when you're cruising. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like, I'm used to the Mustang, it's pretty loud. Overall, it's really not too bad, the drone. So if you're used to driving, you know, like a slightly loud car, you're not going to really have any issues with it. But if you're used to a very quiet cab, you might dislike it a little bit. But when you get on it, it really opens up the Hemi, and this thing freaking rips. Like, I love this exhaust, I would not change it.
Alright, so Wes pretty much explained everything about the leveling kit, because we've been getting a lot of feedback on that, and a lot of people have been asking questions, so hopefully this answered a bunch of them for you. Still, if you have any more, just comment down below. But now we're going to wash her because she is filthy. Like I was saying, we got sponsored by Vash Automotive Auto Care. They're like a big detailing company. They have microfibers, shampoos, wheel cleaners, detailers, a bunch of different sprays. So we'll link the website down below, but on the screen right now we're going to put the our code, so if you want to get a nice discount on a bunch of these products, are very reasonably priced, and the discount will just help out tremendously. They did fast shipping, it's USA based, but as you can see, this is pretty dirty. So we're gonna use the wheel cleaner, we're gonna clean her up, and we'll show you pretty much before and after, and then we're gonna rinse her down with the foam. Got the foam cannon, so we got some cool stuff here. They gave us some microfiber towels and stuff like that, so let's do it. And this smells like, him and Danielle say strawberry, I kind of say maybe like a berry, but some kind of berry flavor. What do you think?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, okay. Strawberry it is. But this, let's see what this one smells like. Let's pop this bottle open. That's bubble gum.
Bubble gum?
That's oh, I was going to make the camera smell, but that was stupid of me. What do you think, bubble gum?
Take a sniff.
Right? Kind of bubble gum?
Oh my god, yeah, bubble gum.
Here. Wow.
You guys confirm?
You have shit on your
I know, it's on my nose. Alright guys, so as you can see now we're using the Vash Auto Care. This is the foam shampoo, the red edition. Like I said, it smells like bubblegum. If only you could smell it, because right now I feel like I'm in just bubblegum heaven. As you can see, it's nice and foamy. When you have a nice pressure washer, it gives it that nice foam. It's not like that Harbor Freight junk or like the AutoZone shampoo where it doesn't really foam up. Now let's get back to it. Wes, hit the cinematics.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video of the 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. We pretty much went over a bunch of details of the new wheels and tires setup, as well as the MotoFab 2.5-inch leveling kit. So I hope you enjoyed. The truck really looks, it's night and day difference between what it was stock and what it is now, so I'm very pleased with the outcome. I hope I answered a lot of your guys' questions. If you have any more questions, just comment down below, or we can make another video about something if you're interested in that. And then also let me know what other mods you want to see for this truck. I'm definitely interested in getting those upgraded control arms, the upper control arms, and I also want the cold air intake. So those are 2 things on my list, but if you have other good suggestions, let me know.
Yeah, so that pretty much summed up that portion of the vehicle. We also just wanted to do it quick since it was 70 degrees today, so we want to take advantage of our new sponsorship. So if you guys like this stuff, we'll do more reviews on it in the future, but definitely use our code, you'll get a discount. And
it's really good stuff.
It really is. Like,
yeah.
we were shocked. We use what? Chemical Guys,
yeah.
a bunch of, you know, just McGuire's and stuff like that. And this performed just as good, if not better, and smells fantastic.
The smell is really...
Yeah, you know. If only you guys could smell it, sorry. But yeah, definitely save yourself some money. That's going to sum up today's video, so we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.